everyone, welcome back to my channel That Happy Soul and welcome to another video. And today's video is perfect for all of those girls who are looking for easy and quick curly hair routine. With some of the easy steps, I will show you how to take care of your curly hair and make them shiny and bouncy. Hi, my name is Komal and today I will show you how to achieve beautiful and shiny curls. Number 1 is cleansing your scalp. If you're facing too much of itching, dryness and flaky scalp, then what you need to do is detox your scalp. So here in this video I have used this detox shampoo which will help to scrub my scalp and get rid of those itchiness and those flaky scalp. This is also called as clarifying your scalp, which needs to be done once in a 15 days or once in a month, depending upon how the situation of your scalp is. Curly hair tends to dry easily, which makes it frizzy and leads to breakage of hair. Curly hair are different from straight hair, which means you need to take that extra little care of your curly hair. So number 1, washing your curly hair like normal hair is a big no. You need to choose your product wisely. Your product should be free from all the harsh chemicals like sulfate, silicone, wax, mineral, parabens. Just look into the ingredients. Number 3, do not wash your hair more than twice a week. Washing too much of your hair can lead to dryness of your hair, which will automatically lead to frizzy hair. If you still need to wash your hair more than twice a week, then what you can do is you can just go wash your hair, which means to wash your hair with conditioner instead of shampoo. Apply shampoo directly on your scalp. Shampoo is made to cleanse your scalp. Very important, when you shampoo your scalp, use your fingertips instead of your nails to clean your scalp, or sometimes you can also use the scalp massager if needed. Now comes the next step, conditioning. Very important step for curly hair. Conditioning is done to detangle your hair. Having dry and frizzy hair, I won't recommend you to comb your hair when it's dry. It's best to comb your hair while it's wet and when the conditioner is applied already. Things that you need to take care while doing conditioning your hair is: number 1, do not apply conditioner directly on your scalp. Conditioner is not meant to cleanse your scalp. It is meant to detangle your knots which are away from your scalp. That means you need to apply the conditioner 1 inch away from your scalp. This will help to less greasy and less product buildup on your scalp. Your conditioner also should be away from all the harsh chemicals, as I mentioned before. Never ever skip your conditioner, as conditioner are more moisturized, which helps to retain curls for long. Do not forget to apply conditioner at the ends of your hair, which is the most driest part, which needs to be moisturized the most. Always apply conditioner with your fingers. Let it sit for a while, like a 1 or 2 minutes, and then start it detangling with your fingers. And then only when you get rid of most of the knots, then only use a wide tooth comb to get rid of all the knots and detangle your hair properly. And conditioner are not meant to be kept on your hair, so wash it thoroughly and get rid of all the product. Always rinse your hair under the cold water. The next step, very important for beginners who have just started your curly hair journey, is the deep conditioning, or you can say hair mask. This is one extra step which helped me when I started my curly hair journey, and I used to deep conditioner my hair once in a week. Deep conditioner helps to get that extra moisture, which gives extra nourishment to your hair. It also helps to enhance the curl pattern. There are 2 types of deep conditioner. One is to hydrate and another is give protein to your hair. So depending upon what your hair needs, you need deep conditioner according to that. And then I would suggest you to go with the hydrating one, because obviously everyone's hair needs hydration and that good moisture. So without a second thought, you can start your deep conditioning with a good hydrating hair mask. Some points that you need to take care while doing deep conditionings are: always apply deep conditioner 1 inch away from your scalp, because it will give moisture to your hair, not to your scalp. So always 1 inch away from your scalp. Also, there will be less product buildup and less greasy of your scalp. While applying deep conditioner, make sure your hair is damp. It should not be dry. Your hair should have enough water so that you you have that good slip while applying the deep conditioner. Use the brush like a Denman brush or any brush, you can use it to spread the product all over your hair. After applying proper deep conditioner to your hair, twist your curls. You can divide your hair, one side of your hair into two, and then just twist those curls like a braid, twisting braid, and then keep it for 20 to 25 minutes under a thermal heat cap, which is microwavable, which you can see I have used here. If you don't have this one, then you can do a hot towel method. If you use any deep conditioner like a tub size or any product which is in a tub form, do not put your finger directly in any product, as it is not hygiene and may decrease the life of the product as well. So always use a plastic spatula to take out the product, take into your palm, and then apply on your hair. Deep conditioner also needs to be rinsed out thoroughly, properly with cold water. Now comes the next part, and very exciting part is the styling routine. To style your curly hair, you can use any type of styler which are available in the market. So they are divided into three, which are cream, mousse and gel. Now some of the important points that you need to take care while styling your hair are, starting with leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioner acts as a primer for your hair, which gives that extra moisture to your hair for the rest of the days. So always invest into leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioner is not rinsed out, it needs to be kept on your hair and then apply all the stylers on top of it. The amount of leave-in conditioner that you will apply on your hair is very little. You just need to give coating to your hair, so do not apply a much amount of leave-in conditioner. Most of the time leave-in conditioner are very lightweight, like liquidy, so you do not need to mix it with water and then apply. You can directly apply leave-in conditioner. And also leave-in conditioner is not applied on your scalp, it is only applied on your hair, depending upon what styler you want. If you're a beginner, I would suggest you to go with the praying hand method and raking method. Raking method is like a bear claw method, in which you can just use your claws to rake all the product all over your hair, and then with the praying method you can just smooth all the frizz if you have got there, and then squish to condition. Squish to condition is a very important step in your curly hair routine, as it will enhance the curl pattern. While you have applied all these stylers, you need to just take your hand and some extra amount of water and then squish it. When you'll get that extra sound while squishing, that means you are doing your squishing properly. While applying this styler, make sure that your hair is having enough of the water. It should not be dripping wet, but it should be good damp. Product is having a good slip, and with the help of the water, the product will activate and start working on your hair. Until unless on a dry hair, curly hair products never work. They only work when they come in contact with water. So you need to make sure that your hair is having enough of the water. After applying the product, you just need to dry your hair. And there are two different ways to dry your hair. One is to air dry like normally, or another one is to use a blow dryer but attach a diffuser along with it. After your hair is dried 100%, now time is to get that extra volume for your hair, which can be done by scrunching your hair. To scrunch your hair, what you will need is a lightweight oil, which I have used here. You just need 2 to 3 drops of lightweight oil. While scrunching your hair, you need to be very gentle so that you do not invite that extra frizz. This will break the hard gel cast or any hard cast. Obviously, when you have done so much of work for your hair, you do not want to get ruined your hair for the next day. You want to retain it for next few days. So what you need to do is, while at night sleeping, just make sure that you make a pineapple hairstyle, which means to make a top pony at the top of your hair, and always use a satin or a silk hair turban or a sleeping mask. And then if you don't have any of these, what you can do is you can also use a silk pillowcase. So this is how I take care of my curly hair, and this is my curly hair routine in a one day. I have shown all the products that I have used, and still if you want to get the name and the brand of the product, you can just click the description below. You'll get all the products that I have used. And if you have any other question, just leave a comment below. I will make sure to make a video on that, and I am trying to answer all the small questions that are asked by you. If you have watched this video till now, then give it a thumbs up, comment down, and subscribe to my channel for more curly hair tips and fun videos. Until next time, bye, take care.